Olivia in a bucket of water on a hot day in Texas. She keeps dunking her forehead down into the water. Did it go up your nose that time? I'm not in the shot, am I?
Your voice is now. This is how babies drown in a bucket of water.
I mean, should I stop her?
Kidding, this might make us money.
Is she drinking it?
Go back some more.